All right, this is Chapter 2, Lesson 7, Discount. So last time we talked about sales tax, tips, and markups. Discounts are almost the exact same thing as all of those, except you're dealing with subtraction instead of addition. So at the top of my page, I have blank or blank is the amount by which the regular price of an item is reduced. So in those two blanks, you're going to write discount or markdown. So a discount or markdown is the amount by which the regular price of an item is reduced. The sales price is the regular price minus the discount. So discount, markdown, sales price minus the discount. Okay, it's the regular price. All right, so let's take a look at a couple of examples. The first example I had says, a DVD normally costs $22. This week it is on sale for 25% off the original price. What is the sale price of the DVD? So method 1, I subtract the discount from the regular price. So first I find the amount of discount, let D represent the discount. So I'm going to take 25%, which I changed to a decimal, 0.25, and multiply it by the original price of the DVD. So 0.25 times 22 gives me $5.50. This tells me that my discount is $5.50 from the original price. So then I subtract $22 minus $5.50, which will give me $16.50. So the sale price is 75% of the regular price. Okay, so this is method 2, subtract the percent of discount from 100%. So I take 100% and I subtract my discount. My discount was 25% off the original price, so I do 100% minus 25 will give me 75%. That's the discount, okay, so that's the regular price. The sale price is 75% of the regular price. So I let S represent the sale price. So again, I do part equals percent times whole. S equals 75% times the value of my item, which was $22. So 0.75 times 22 gives me $16.50. So the sale price of the DVD using either of the methods is $16.50. So let's take a look at another example. A boogie board that has a regular price of $69 and is on sale at a 35% discount. What is the sale price with a 7% tax? So there are two things that we need to figure out here. First, we need to figure out what the discount on the board is. Then once we find that, we have to apply a 7% sales tax, which is what we actually did in the last lesson. So step 1, I find the amount of discount. Let D represent the discount. Part equals percent times whole. D equals 0.35 because it was a 35% discount times 69, which was the price of the board. That's $24.15. That's the amount of money that I'm saving on this board. So I subtract the two numbers. 69 minus $24.15 gives me a total of $44.85. Now, normally, if I were just finding the discount, I would stop here. But the second part of my question asked me to find the sales tax on my total purchase. So I need to figure out 7% of the $44.85, which is my price that I'm paying for my boogie board. Okay? So I multiply 7% of $44.85. So again, I change 7% to a decimal, 0.07, and multiply by $44.85. That gives me $3.14. Then I add those together. Remember, sales tax I'm adding on. Okay, so 44.85 plus $3.14 is $47.99. So the sale price of the boogie board, including tax, is $47.99. So there are two examples below. I want you to go ahead, pause the video, try them out, and when you're done, we'll go over the answers together. All right, now that you've had a chance to try out the try-out problems, let's go over the answer together. So the first one I have is a shirt is regularly priced at $42. It is on sale for 15% off of the regular price. What is the sales price of the shirt? So just like sales tax, tips, and markups, we can also use two different methods when we're finding the discount. You can use either method that you would like. I'll use both. I'll show you both, okay? So when I'm finding my answer. So my first method was finding the discount and then subtracting it from the original price. So to do that, I'm going to take D equals 15%, 0.15 times 42, and my discount is $6.30. Then I'm going to take that and subtract it from my $42. $42 minus $6.30 gives me $35.70. That's method one. My second method is subtracting 100% minus 15, which gives me 85%. Then I multiply that with my price, and I get $35.70. So again, either method that you use will work. It's completely up to you, whichever method you feel more comfortable with, okay? Personally, I feel more comfortable with method one. I've always felt that way. It's just the way I learned it, okay? If you don't feel comfortable with method one and you like method two, use method two. Whichever method that you feel comfortable with, not me, you feel comfortable with, okay? You're the one that's going to be solving all the problems, okay? So if you feel comfortable with method one or method two, use whichever one you feel most comfortable with, okay? If you want to challenge yourself and try them both to see which one you like, great, okay? But again, it's completely up to you which method you want to use. All right, my second problem gets a little bit more complicated because I'm adding a sales price with a tax at the end. So my problem asks, a CD that has a regular price of $15.50 is on sale at a 25% discount. What is the sale price with a 6.5% tax? So they're asking me for two things. They're asking me for the discount, the price that I'm going to pay, and then they're asking for that price after I've included a sales tax. So let's go ahead and work on that one. So first things first, I want to find the discount that I'm going to pay on the CD. And by the way, if you don't know what a CD is, it's a little disc that used to play music, okay? I'm sure they're very old and probably out of date. You probably haven't seen one for a while. Okay. So a CD that has a regular price of $15.50 is on sale at a 25% discount. So I'm going to take my discount as 0.25 times $15.50. So my discount is going to give me $3.875. Okay, that's what I got when I got my discount. Now obviously $3.875 is not actually correct, okay? Normally when we do this, at the end we'll round. Don't round until you're at the end, okay? It's very important. You might actually get a different answer if you try to round partway through. So just leave it how it is, round at the end. So $3.875, I subtract 1550 minus 3875, which will give me 11.625, okay? So I got my discount. That's the amount that I'm saving on the CD. I subtracted it from my original price. Then I'm going to take this, the sales price, the tax, and multiply it by what I'm saving. So 6.5% becomes 0.065 times 11.625, which will give me 0.76. And I add that 0.76 to the price that I'm saving, because it's a sales tax. So 11.625 plus 76 cents equals $12.70. once I round it. It's actually 12.375 and I round it to 8. Okay? So it is important though that you wait to round until the end. Alright, on your next page you should have something that looks like this. Okay? You've already cut it out and you've glued it into your notebook. You will also need a page that looks like this. Okay? What you're going to do is you're actually going to figure out the price for each of these items, the rug, the guitar, and the jacket. Okay? You'll do your work on here. Okay? And then you're going to glue these on top, so you'll make little flaps. Alright, I'll show you what one looks like. This is what one already looks like. Notice that I did not glue this portion down. I only glued the little tabby portion down. Okay, so you only glued there, and then you'll have all of your work for each one inside. You're finding the sales price for each of these items. And that is the end of Chapter 2, Lesson 7.